Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I will be creating a pastel blue / turquoise full face look. This look is in collaboration with Kelsey Teresa on Instagram, and if you would like to see how I created this, then please keep watching. So the first thing I've done is just primed. For this I used the Benefit Cosmetics New Hydrate Primer. The next thing I'm going to do is apply foundation. So for today I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. I'm going to be taking the shades 200W and 120W and mixing them. So they do have a 150W, which is probably the shade that will match me the best. But for now I have 120W as well as 200W. So I just mix them to get my shade. I'm then just going to take the Real Techniques sponge and blend it out. This is probably my favorite foundation. I'm not big on full coverage, so this medium to sheer coverage is probably my favorite. So far it's looking really good over the primer, so I'm a fan. I'm now going to go in with the Catrice Cosmetics Liquid Camouflage Concealer. This is the shade 015 in Honey. This does look a little bit warm for my skin, but when blended out it actually doesn't look too bad. Going back in with my sponge. I'm now going to take the Anastasia A16 brush and a bit of loose translucent powder in the shade Vanilla, and I'm just going to set the foundation and concealer. I'm going to set under my eyes. I'm just going to pat it on. I'm now just going to add a bit of depth to my face. I'm going to be using the Cream Contour Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Light. Now picking up the darkest shade, I'm just going to add that to my cheekbones, my forehead and my nose. Now using my sponge, I'm just going to blend it out. Now you're going to want to make sure you bring this into your hairline, or you're going to have patches along here that are not the same color. Once that has been blended out, I'm going to be taking the ColourPop blush sticks. This is in the shade Mini Me, and I'm just going to be applying this to my cheeks. So what I like to do with these is rub them on the back of my hand just to warm up the product. And then I'm going to use my finger, I'm going to pick some up, and I'm just going to start patting it on. This is my favorite way to apply any cream blush, as I feel if you just draw the product on, it often just messes up the foundation beneath. I'm just going to go ahead and fill my eyebrows in, and then I'll be right back. So now that I've filled my brows in, I'm going to move on to my eyes. So for today I'm going to be using a turquoise. So I'm going to be going in with this pastel turquoise shade from the NYX Ultimate Bright palette. I know some of you mentioned that you'd like me to zoom in a bit when doing the eyes, but considering that this isn't going to be a very technical look, I feel like I don't really need to, because I'm just blending out shadows. But for my next video, when I do something a bit more in-depth, I'll zoom in a bit just so you can see what's going on. So today's look is a collaboration with Kelsey. I will link her page on my Instagram so you can see who she is. We have been talking about doing a collab for the longest time, and we just have never done one. So we're finally doing it. I'm now going to take the Morphe M321 and throw it around, and I'm going to pick up that same blue shade and put it on my bottom lash line. I think I'm now going to go in with the P. Louise base. This one is the shade Banging Blue, and I think I'm going to do a wind liner on top of this. Once I have drawn out the wing on both eyes, I'm going to take a darker blue eyeshadow and just set the eye base. That is then the eyes done. So what I'm going to do now is just apply some lashes and mascara. The lashes I'm going to be using today are the baby lashes from Carver the Lash. So I'm just going to apply a coat of mascara to both my top as well as the bottom lashes, and then I'm going to glue my false lashes on. You guys must let me know if you want to see anything in specific from me. For instance, if you want me to do a little Q&A or whatever it is. Feel free to DM me on Instagram, comment under this video, let me know what you want. I now want to add a bit of highlighter, so I'm going to take the Moonchild Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now there is a gorgeous white blue duochrome highlighter in here called Blue Ice. I'm going to be using that. I'm then going to be taking the shade Room Service from the Colourpop Luxe Velvet Lipstick Collection, and I'm going to apply that on top. I really love these lipsticks. I filmed a whole lip swatch video and mid-editing realized I was missing half the footage. So that's not coming anytime soon. This is then the completed look. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out Kelsey's channel to see her look. It will be up on my Instagram as well. And thank you for watching. Bye!